Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing covers for mugs made with crochet patterns, and you can see these patterns and designs. These are the latest designs with different color combination, and I'm sure you guys will love it when you will see it. So you can customize these crochet patterns for your own self, for your customers, and you can gift it to someone else, to whom you ever want to be. And I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and do let me know your favorite crochet palette or pattern from this video, so and your favorite color. So thank you so much. Now enjoy the video.